What if the secret to turning back the clock on aging, restoring muscle strength, soothing tingling hands, and steadying shaky legs, lies not in pricey supplements or trendy kiwi, but in a humble, affordable fruit you've likely overlooked? After 60, your body loses up to 30% of its collagen, the vital framework, cushioning joints, anchoring tendons, and powering movement, leaving you with creaky knees, numb hands, and a nagging fear of stumbling. But 5 powerhouse fruits, guava, avocado, pomegranate, goji berries, and blueberries, outperform kiwi, a distant 6th, with potent vitamin C, antioxidants, and healthy fats that rebuild resilience and defy frailty. Guava, the uncelebrated champion, delivers a staggering 228 milligrams of vitamin C per fruit, nearly triple kiwi's 90 milligrams, igniting a 34% surge in collagen production in just 8 weeks, while its potassium and magnesium boost blood flow to relieve numbness in hands and feet, as shown in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Avocado's monounsaturated fats supercharge absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, fortifying tendons and easing leg cramps, per the Journal of Nutrition, while pomegranate's punicolagen slashes collagen breakdown by 32% and enhances leg circulation, according to the Journal of Atherosclerosis Research. Goji berries, with their Lycium barbarum polysaccharides, activate fibroblasts to repair tendons and curb muscle loss, slowing sarcopenia, as noted in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology. And blueberries' anthocyanins protect collagen, cutting joint inflammation by 25%, per a University of North Carolina study, while improving memory and balance. These fruits synergize to combat muscle wasting, restore stability, and revive confidence, but their power hinges on eating them right. A 7-day menu maximizes impact. Day 1 starts with half an avocado on whole grain toast, a pomegranate seed salad for lunch, and half a guava as an evening snack. Day 2 includes blueberry oatmeal, goji berry porridge, and guava juice. Day 3 blends avocado, banana, and nut milk for breakfast, pairs steamed salmon with a pomegranate salad, and ends with goji tea. Day 4 features fresh guava, brown rice with avocado, and blueberries with yogurt. Day 5 combines goji berry oatmeal, eggs with pomegranate juice, and guava. Day 6 offers blueberries with chia, an avocado guava salad, and goji tea. Day 7 mixes a guava pomegranate smoothie, turmeric fish with avocado, and blueberries with cheese. Eat these fruits fresh, ideally in the morning or afternoon, using steaming or cold pressing to preserve nutrients, and avoid mixing too many in one meal. Pair with water for optimal absorption. For guava, choose ripe, soft fruit, 100 to 150 grams daily, avoiding hard green ones. For avocado, half a fruit, 70 to 100 grams, suffices. Pomegranate calls for 80 to 100 grams of seeds or 120 milliliters of unsweetened juice. Goji berries need just 15 to 20 grams, and blueberries require a half cup, 75 grams. Precautions matter. Consult a doctor if on blood thinners for goji or pomegranate, and avoid overeating avocado to prevent digestive upset. Beyond diet, your mindset is the true catalyst. Aging isn't a descent into weakness, but a chance to reclaim vitality. Reject the notion that aching joints and trembling steps are inevitable. Choose guava over sugary pastries, move daily to distribute collagen, and commit to small, consistent choices, swapping artificial desserts for blueberries or sipping guava juice instead of soda. These habits, built over 24 months, will transform your life. The foot that once faltered on stairs will stand firm, the hand that tingled will grip freely, and you'll no longer be defined by aging but empowered to live boldly. This isn't just about fruit. It's a recovery plan to restore balance, flexibility, and independence, proving that growing older isn't the end but the dawn of a vibrant chapter where you stand tall, move confidently, and embrace life with renewed strength.